Aaron, I noticed one of the big changes here on the new T-Series Combine is the look and the appearance of the shields and how they're working. Can you tell us a little bit more about what's going on here?
So Robert, this is the updated styling to a classic look. This is the Gleaner updated, the maximum access shielding. So we wanted to take the look of a Gleaner and update it, bring a little more modern flair to it,
right,
but still retain that image, that shape of a Gleaner that everybody knows. Because ultimately what we want to see is that when that machine is operating, you see that machine silhouette on the horizon, you want to know that's a Gleaner Combine.
Yep,
so we wanted really to keep that.
Absolutely. And of course with that look, right, that's so important in the overall design and how the whole Combine comes together.
There is no part that doesn't interact with the other one. That's
Absolutely.
the beauty of the Gleaner Combine, right? Is that it is modular, everything. We reduce the number of components by sharing tasks amongst them. So that really was a major uptake or undertaking to be able to go through and update those shieldings.
Yeah, because when you touch one part of it, you're affecting multiple pieces, right?
Absolutely correct.
Yeah. So let's take a look. Show us what's behind
So
here.
Remember I called that maximum access shielding. That's because
Yes.
there's nothing on this machine that's superficial. We didn't just update the looks to update the styling. We wanted to make sure we brought value to farmers. There's a reason that we did this. And the maximum access shielding means you get maximum access to components inside the machine. So really, what you're gonna see here is as we open these shields here, you're gonna see more and more access than we've ever had on a machine to be able to get you in the field faster, take those tasks and make them simpler, and reduce the amount of time you're spent with a grease gun and a wrench, and put you more time in the field harvesting. That's the overall goal for all these maximum access shielding is reduce downtime, increase serviceability, and access to the whole of the machine.
Absolutely. And I can't help but notice how easy the shield's opened.
Right, and how wide of an expanse that you get once you get them open.
Yes.
You can get to more components easier, more simply, just by opening the shield and not a lot of other time with wrenches, taking other components off, to be able to access the critical components of the machine.
I can't help but notice, I think there's something else behind
That's
the
right.
shield.
So one of the other benefits, one of the other features that we have with the Gleaner Combine is the powered rotor reverse. We're now, from the operator cab, able to reverse the rotor should we encounter some misfortune and take a slug into the machine that we've got to work its way back out.
And I think we've all experienced that at some point
Sometimes
in
you
our
miss
harvesting days.
You miss the weeds and the canola, the kenosha, you miss maybe you go a little too fast, you take the soybeans are a little more green than what you thought. You're going to take a slug at periods of time, and we want to make sure, again, reduce the amount of time you're having to work outside of the machine, get you back into harvest faster.
Absolutely.
So with that powered rotor reverse, now from the comfort of the cab, they're able to walk that slug out and be able to get to harvesting faster. And again, more uptime, more productivity from the machine.
Yeah, the guys might tend to try and push the combine a little harder if they don't have to dig it out, right?
I'm a little hesitant sometimes when they those tough situations.
Yeah.
And so now I can get the full expanse, the full capabilities of that machine,
Absolutely.
Simply knowing that I have the confidence that if I do screw up, I've got a powered rotor reverse to help me out.
Absolutely. Now this looks really great, and I wanted to comment on how this rear shield is opening up too, because you're talking about all the access, and wow, you can really get to the batteries.
That's right.
And do that maintenance with it. Where before we had a door, right, that you had to open up.
So one of those important steps of, it's at the end of the day, everybody's tired, everybody's ready to get home, get dinner, whatever they need to do. So we want to make sure that when you clean the machine off, you have the most access to be able to do that job quick, so you can close it back up, get to dinner, so you get a little something in you, and so you can start fresh for the next day.
Absolutely. This is great stuff, and I know the dealers were very excited about the access here.
That's right.
But there's more to see.
There's one that they got really excited
Yes.
about that we get to show over on the other side of the machine. So
absolutely.
let's keep walking around and we'll show that
let's
to
do.
them.